Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.